Hey people, welcome back to your channel, The Experience. My name is Femi and I'm your host today. Today is a wonderful day. We're celebrating 152 loyal subscribers and The Experience with over 6,400 views. It's just 2 months. I want to use this medium to say thank you to everyone for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for watching all of our videos. So today, by popular demand, we are going to be looking at some pathways to immigrate to Canada. So without wasting your time, let's dive right into it. Canada is one of the most highly sought countries in the world. A lot of people want to go to Canada. So let's go right into it. What are the pathways to moving to Canada? You know, maybe right now you're confused, you don't know what to do, you don't know which way to look. We'll go through different streams of migration to Canada. So let's get right into it. First, we will look towards the student visa and education part, and under this section you can either apply to come to Canada for your first degree, which is bachelor's, for your master's, and you can even come for your doctorate degree, which everybody knows as PhD, and it's quite a lovely place to do that as well. So you could also come for short-term courses, maybe like 1-year courses. You can also get visas for that. So also you can come through the express entry system, and this system is quite extensive. We will have to do like separate videos for all of this. On the express entry system, you have some notable things. You have like the comprehensive ranking system, which is CRS score, the express entry draws. So we have to look extensively at what makes up the comprehensive ranking system, what makes up the express entry draw, how can I get into this draw, and what is an invitation to apply, and how can I get this invitation to apply. So we are actually going to look extensively in the coming episode about each of all these separately. So we will be treating each of all these as separate videos. We will deal with the express entry and also the student visa, because it's practically impossible to have all of this in one video. So this is quite like an overview for you, but stick around and you will surely get that. So also we have the family class. So under the family class you have the spousal sponsorship, which is if you have a wife or you have a husband. And in case you don't know, Canada supports gay marriage, so it's not necessarily a man and a woman, it can be a man and a man. So you have also conjugal partners. Also under family class you can sponsor your parents, your grandparents, or your immediate parents, and you can also sponsor your dependent children. By dependent children, these are like children under the age of 18 who you've been responsible for over time. So you have to give evidences that you've been responsible for any children you're sponsoring. So also we have the Provincial Nominee Program. So as you know that Canada has 10 provinces, so under these provinces there are different streams under the Provincial Nominee Program, and also we have to go through them one after the other because it's quite an extensive list, and I will have to show you all the procedures of applying under the Provincial Nominee Program as well. So also we have the Quebec Immigration. Quebec is another province in Canada, and it's a French-speaking place. So usually if you're highly skilled in French and you like to live in that part of the city, you can always go to Quebec. So also there are also professional and skilled workers program. So you can apply under this stream as a professional to immigrate to Canada. But take note that under this stream of migration, there are subsections that you can actually look into. The skilled worker, you have the Quebec skilled worker, you have the Canadian experience class, you have the federal skilled trade as well. Could include the Agri-Food Pilot, which was commenced in 2020, but then there's a maximum of 2,750 applicants in a year under this migration stream. So you might want to consider that as well if you're into agriculture. And they will also have the Rural Northern Immigration Pilot. You have the Caregivers Program, and that deals with people who want to come over to Canada to assist their families with raising kids. I will make individual videos for all of these streams and you can learn about them better. Over 400,000 new immigrants to arrive in Canada each year for the next 3 years. I'm sure that Canada is waiting for you, and I'm waiting for you as well. So if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe right now and turn on your notification buttons, and I will see you next week.